Hello Dyson, welcome to Maths today. Okay, let me share my screen for the first part of this lesson. So, you'll need a whiteboard and pen for the first part of this lesson, so pause me and go and get that if you don't have it already. Okay, now, here is just a little reminder of what we already know. So, my turn. Part plus part equals whole. So we know that when we have one part and we add it together with another part, it equals our whole. Yeah? Fantastic. And we can do that in a lot of different ways. So if we had this question here, now it's quite a tricky question, and I know a number of you struggled with this question at home. So I'm going to show you how I would try and figure it out, okay? So here we go. I think I would use a number track. And I will tell you why I would use a number track. So part plus part equals whole. So we know that our whole is 18. So I'm going to draw a circle around the number 18 because I know that that is where I need to finish. Okay? I'm also going to draw a circle around the number 5 because I know that we already have 5, don't we? Yeah? And all I need to do is figure out how many more I need to add to 5 to make 18. So I think the easiest way to do that is we're going to do some jumps along our number track, and then you can help me to count how many jumps we have. And then it will be 5 plus that equals 18. I hope that makes sense. Let me show you. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so it's taken me 13 jumps to get from the number 5 to the number 18. And let's just double check that. Okay, this is how you can double check as well. So it should be 5 plus 13 equals 18. So I'm going to check by holding the number 13 in my head and then adding 5. So I'm going to test it to see if it's right. If 13 plus 5 equals 18. Shall we see? So I've got 13 in my head and 5 on my hand. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm right. So I've figured it out, but I also needed to check if I was right. So in maths, we try to use loads of different methods to try and figure it out, okay? Let's try another one. Actually, let's not try another one today, okay? Right, our learning objective for today is, can I count forwards and backwards within 50? Fantastic. And we're going to be playing a game. I hope that's okay. So what you need to do is get your mums and dads to help you, and you need to type in this into the internet. Okay, not yet though. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. see. Sorry, everybody. Hold on. Screen share. Here we go. So when you search that thing that I just showed you, you'll get this page here. And what I'd like you to do for today's lesson is press play game. And this is the game. Now it's up to you. You can choose the find a number section, and you can play the game where it's finding a number between 10 and 20, or you could challenge yourself and find a number between 10 and 30, or even between 60 and 99 if you really want to challenge. And or I would like you to play this blue side of the game, which is counting on from a certain number. So I'm going to show you how the game works, okay? Because you might need to use a number track to help you figure out the answers to this game. Okay, so I'm going to start between 0 and... Okay, so the lady said, what is 5 less than 19? So that's 5, 19, take away 5. So on my, let me stop sharing for a minute, 19, take away 5. So I'm going to circle 19. Uh-oh, my pen doesn't work. Going to circle 19 and take away 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully the number 14 was on one of those rockets. Oh, yes, it was. So I click the 14, and if I got it right, it'll take off. Good. Do you understand? I'm going to do one more. It said, what is 3 less than 12? So, I don't know what 3 less than 12 is. So let's have a go on here. Let's rub out those. So we're going to start on 12 and count back 3. 3 less than 12. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully there's a number 8 on the rocket. If there's a number 8, I'm going to click it because I think it's 8. Oh no! 1. Oh, silly Miss Walker. It's because my number track hasn't worked properly. Because it's not in one row. It should be 1, 2, 3. So I got it wrong. Never mind. It's actually 9. There we go. So do you see what happens if you get it wrong? It won't take off. Okay, don't guess though, please. I'd like you to be doing the maths. If you would like to challenge yourself, choose the higher numbers on the game, okay? Right, I'd like you to play that game for me and take a picture of yourself playing it and post it onto Tapestry. The final thing that I'm going to show you is the challenge for today. Now, you do not have to do the challenge, but if you would like to do the challenge, here it is. It says, write the missing number in each box. So it's 19, and then it says, is 1 less than a number? So I would like you to fill in all the missing boxes, okay? You do not have to do the challenge. The game is the main part of this lesson, but if you do the challenge, please also post it on Tapestry, okay? Fantastic. Have fun playing the game. Remember to use your number track to help you. Yeah, you can do it in your head, but it's easier to get it wrong if you're doing it in your head. So I'd always check on your number track. Okay, right. Bye, Dyson.